Increasingly, there's a growing awareness of healthy living and proper nutrition. Lung health stands as a significant component supported by this consciousness. Many individuals seek natural methods to cleanse and maintain their lungs. One such natural approach is through nutrition. The antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals found in foods play a vital role in preserving and cleansing lung health. By watching this video, you'll discover some of the foods that aid in supporting lung health. First, we'll explore the beneficial effects of antioxidant-rich foods like walnuts on lung health. Now let's take a closer look at what these miraculous foods are that help support lung health. Citrus fruits. Citrus fruits, such as oranges, tangerines, and lemons, are rich in vitamin C, which plays a crucial role in supporting lung health. Vitamin C acts as a potent antioxidant, helping to combat oxidative stress and inflammation in the lungs. Additionally, it promotes the production of collagen, which is essential for maintaining the structure and elasticity of lung tissues. Regular consumption of citrus fruits can help reduce the risk of respiratory infections and diseases, including asthma and chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, COPD. By incorporating these fruits into your diet, you're providing your lungs with the necessary nutrients to function optimally and stay resilient against environmental pollutants and pathogens, ultimately contributing to overall respiratory well-being. Green tea. Green tea, which is known for its antioxidant properties, can help cleanse your lungs. This beverage contains antioxidants that protect the body from the harmful effects of free radicals and reduce cell damage in the lungs. This, in turn, can assist in cleansing your lungs and promoting better respiratory function. Additionally, some components found in green tea are known to have anti-inflammatory effects which can reduce inflammation in the lungs and help open up the airways. Regular consumption of green tea can be a simple and natural way to support and maintain lung health. Carrots. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene, an antioxidant that supports lung health. Beta-carotene is converted into vitamin A in the body, which plays a crucial role in maintaining the integrity of lung tissues and supporting respiratory function. As an antioxidant, beta-carotene helps neutralize harmful free radicals that can damage lung cells and contribute to respiratory ailments. Regular consumption of carrots can provide the body with this essential nutrient, aiding in the protection of lung health and reducing the risk of respiratory diseases. Incorporating carrots into your diet can be a simple yet effective way to support overall respiratory well-being and maintain healthy lungs. Strawberries. Rich in antioxidants, strawberries support lung health. The antioxidants present in strawberries help reduce oxidative stress in the lungs caused by free radicals, thus preserving lung tissues. Moreover, strawberries possess anti-inflammatory properties, which can decrease inflammation in the lungs and aid in opening up the airways. With its high content of vitamin C, strawberries boost the immune system and provide defense against respiratory infections. Regular consumption of strawberries is an easy and delicious way to protect your lungs and support respiratory function. Basil. Known for its antioxidant properties, basil supports lung health. The antioxidants found in basil help combat oxidative stress in the lungs, protecting them from damage caused by free radicals. Additionally, basil contains compounds that have anti-inflammatory effects, which can help reduce inflammation in the respiratory system and promote clear airways. Incorporating basil into your diet or consuming basil tea can provide these beneficial effects for lung health. Its aromatic flavor also adds depth to dishes, making it an enjoyable and versatile herb to include in your meals while supporting respiratory well-being. Walnuts. Rich in antioxidants, walnuts preserve lung health. The antioxidants present in walnuts reduce oxidative stress in the lungs, preventing damage caused by free radicals. Additionally, the omega-3 fatty acids found in walnuts have anti-inflammatory effects, which can reduce inflammation in the lungs. Walnuts are also rich in vitamin E, which protects lung cells and supports respiratory function. Regular consumption of walnuts can be an effective way to maintain lung health and help keep the lungs healthy by reducing inflammation in the respiratory tract. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you have found the information helpful in supporting your lung health. You may consider adding these foods to your diet to improve your eating habits and maintain healthy lungs. By subscribing to our channel, you can access more health-related content and stay informed about our latest videos. Thank you for your support, and we wish you all the best for your health.